Garbage can turn waste into treasure. This waste pyrolysis incinerator is really amazing. This waste pyrolysis incinerator has the advantages of high efficiency and energy saving, safety and reliability, easy operation and maintenance, environmental protection and energy saving, and high degree of automation. It uses advanced waste treatment technology to efficiently and quickly process waste into reusable resources while having high energy efficiency and waste gas treatment efficiency. Multiple security measures ensure safety and stability during operation. The operation interface and maintenance system are simple and easy to understand, facilitating user operation and maintenance. The waste gas treatment equipment can effectively treat the discharged waste gas and meet the environmental